Good morning, guys. It's another Sunday morning. I'm at RSYC. Today we'll be probably going to Tuas area and see what we can get there. So we are queuing up for fuel refuel. Okay, we got grouper. Such a small Pumba with thatch roof.
It's very easy to hold. Can't see the line. There's the line coming.
Okay.
You jig right this one.
Jig, jig, jig.
I'll change to jig of this.
Should need net.
Come on.
But should we have a solid hookup?
卡緊啊冇啦了，A B 啦，佢個 3 run 咯，after third run they give up。Where's the net? Oh, the net's there.
Go get a net. It's okay. You're so much for it. Oh. Strength. Still fighting? Yeah, still fighting.
Of course it's GT 啊，呢個燈。
I'm holding correctly.
I
Yeah.
hope it's
Yeah,
Stingray.
okay. I got it.
If Stingray, I take one. No, I take.
Oh, you can take I only take one fish, you can take the rest. No, it's because
Wow,
the
so
current
tough,
is strong.
just in case.
Must be very big, eh?
No, it's because the body fight the current. Okay, okay. Hey, don't need. Wait till you can see them. Still got some.
Well, this is the hardest fish that come out. Eh?
Hey, don't keep winding the. Oh, there already. A bit, okay. A bit,
Wow. This is the fish. This you call. You don't like this, eh?
Yeah. The current very strong.
This type of fish very good fighter.
Because very flat.
Quite good shot. Okay, unmuted.
Okay, release. This way. Okay. A back. Diamond Traveling. Guy. Go. Go. Okay. Releasing fish. Small. Go.